Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, here we are, another Saturday, another shave, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, what is it? We've got a good one lined up for you today. Did you like the intro? You all seen it in another video. I just kept taking little clips, a few seconds here, a few seconds there, and I put them all together. It was about 8 minutes long, so I put them in a separate video and uploaded it yesterday. I hope you all liked it. Okay, here we go. As you've seen by the thumbnail, the 37th wedding anniversary shave. It was supposed to be Terre hermes shaving soap. I bought the hermes shaving soap. It came, guys, it was that big. It was that big, and it was bath soap. So that one went out of the window. But what did happen is my children bought me, check these two out, guys. I've got the Terre hermes EDP and the Terre hermes Balm. This is good. This is my new favourite balm, this, guys. I mean, comparing it to Aqua Velva 5-in-1 is like comparing a gold bar to a chocolate bar. A bar of solid gold to a chocolate. I mean, they're two different animals. This was like 10 times the price, but this is good stuff, guys. This is really good stuff. And I got that. So once I had the balm and the splash, I thought, right, let's go ahead. What can I use? The soap came. Well, we've already done that, haven't we? The soap came. I thought, what could we use? I found this little behemoth, ENS Rasage Zenith. I've used it once before. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful stuff. Now, it doesn't smell like Terre hermes, but you can see they've both came from the same place. Let me explain. Here we'll go on the Zenith website here. It says that this Zenith is a floral and spicy note, well balanced fragrance with top notes of iron, jasmine, rose, marked by the roundness of the woody notes. Keep that in mind, guys. Floral and spicy with woody notes. Okay, so you go Terre hermes. There, now let's look at Terre hermes. Terre hermes is a fruity, spicy fragrance with a fruity, spicy, woody fragrance. So the Zenith is floral, spicy, woody fragrance. Terre hermes is fruity, spicy, woody fragrance. So they share a lot of the same notes, guys. So this is going to be a good shave, isn't it? Those are going to match up really well. The brush from the razor company, look at this. This was such a bargain. I love this brush. It feels fantastic in the hand. It feels absolutely solid. 28mm, wonderful knot. There you go. You have a look. See it? The razor company. And the razor company are always very active and very kind in the wet shaving community. They've supported my channel in the past. There's a link underneath this video to the razor company. You use that link to take you to the razor company. That's all it will do. But if you then go on to buy something whilst you're there, I'll get a commission. And it's pretty decent. It's about 10% of whatever you spend. Won't put the price of your stuff up. You won't pay any more. You'll still pay exactly the same. But because they recognise it came from my link, they send me 10% of whatever you spend. And in the past, I've used it to buy a soap. I used it towards this brush, and the last lot I used to pay for some razors and some soap I sent to another YouTube wet shaver. So there you go. That's the brush we're going to be using. We're going to put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. I'm amazed Samantha hasn't broken that one like she's broke the last two. But there you go. Right. Razor we're going to be using. Look at this. Mueller Rocca R90. It's called the Mueller R96 or R95 or something. And the Rocca, and it's got the birch bark handle. This is an absolutely beautiful razor, guys. And I was after one, but never just quite had the funds. It was upwards of £100. And then Stuart George came to the rescue. We'll put those Bic blades in it. I'll talk a little bit more about these Bic blades when Stuart George came to the rescue, and he offered me a phenomenal, and I mean phenomenal deal, guys. We're talking, well, I don't want to embarrass him, but I mean it was just under half price. I mean, You know what? You can't turn that down, can you? Andy waited. He sent me the razor and said, just send me the money. You know, whenever. So it all worked out well in the end. There you go. Look, I don't want to say too much because I don't want to embarrass him. Thank you, Stuart George. So we've got these big chrome platinum. Now these are actually made in Greece for the French market. So we'll go, there you go, there's the inside. I'm still all at 6s and 7s. Do you know, I've just come to the conclusion, it's just me guys, you know what it is? Because I've been laying around all day and I've done nothing and I haven't had to do anything. I've just been resting because it's been pretty chaotic in work the past few months with one thing and another. So a day off with pay, I'll just rest, put my feet up, recharge the batteries. Everything's, once I got up to film this video, as I film it now, it's about 4:30 in the afternoon. Nothing, it's just taking a while for everything to waken up, you know, and come out of its slumber. I'm up and moving about, but my brain's still sat on the chair watching Paul Humphries. Anyway, so there you go, we'll put that in there, get that in there. That's it, let's crack on, let's wet this face, have this shave. Oh, it's a holiday day here today, Good Friday. I don't know what it is in your part of the world, but we get the day off with full pay, which is very, very good. Here you go, yes, Rasage, this is very, very good stuff, guys. Scent, I would put it about a 4, but I know I've said it before and I'll say it again. With this scent, you probably wouldn't want more than that. Here we go. Let's have a do. I love these size tubs. Look, absolutely wonderful. That ENS Rasage got in touch with me and they said, John, we're coming to London next year and we'd like to get together. We'll have a meet up and we'll have something to eat. And I was all up for that, but it never materialised with COVID and with work and with one thing and another. But they're out there, guys. They're active in the community. They're very, very good people. I think it's 2 women, aren't they, sisters? But anyway, look at that. Right, now the scent, it's jumped a point. It's gone up to about 5 now. No, but don't forget, I use this, guys. I let it dry out. And I don't know exactly when, but I bet it's been sat in my den for the best part of a year. And still, look at this performance. Combined with the scent strength, it's absolutely wonderful. It's absolutely, I went on an expedition and I was sniffing all my soaps and I was doing some research. I was looking into scent profiles, using what I already knew, the information I already had. And that was the closest thing I could find to the Terre hermes. So here we go. Bic chromium blade. So let me know how your week's going. Let me know how your weekend's going. Slurp of the day. I am having a slurp. Samantha's gone. It's just me and my wife in the apartment this weekend. So we're going to make the most of it. We're going to have a nice meal this evening. And we'll have a slurp. Jam shed. Let me know what yours is. We don't often get time on our own. You know, we've got a family and we love that family. We wouldn't have it any other way. That was why although wedding anniversary was last week, with family commitments and one thing and another, we just said we'll wait until this weekend. We're on our own and we're going to have a meal and a glass of wine. We're going to watch a movie, but it will probably descend into a reminiscent contest with memories and things that we've both done over the years, and we sit and have a chat and we have a laugh and we get all nostalgic and we romanticize. We romanticize about the times when we had absolutely sod all in life were good times, you know. Oh, oh, we had nothing, but they were good times. No, they weren't. They were garbage because we had nothing, you know. So, but I digress. The good times. The good 37 years. But it's good. But anyway. Let me know what your shave of the day is. Let me know what your slurp of the day is. And more importantly, if you watch this video and you like it, the best way to help the channel is click that subscribe button. Yeah, there it is. We're trying to grow the channel. There's no other news, there's no other gossip, you know. I made that video. Did you like it? Of the town where I live? And I've had people say to me in the past, mate, it's supposed to be a shaving channel, stick to shaving. And first off, it's my channel, I'll do what I want. Second off, if you don't like it, don't watch. Third off, when I watch Sinatra Lennon, or for years and years and years I watched Paul H. And I Am CDB. And Mark Seredi. And just your natural curiosity when you see all these people that live in various lands all over the world. You know, strange lands like Wales. Sorry, Paul. And you just, my natural curiosity is, I wonder what it's like in his town. I wonder what it's like where he lives. I wonder how far from the town he lives. It's really nice there. I wonder if he's near the countryside. I want you to see little natural curiosity things. So I try and include little snippets. Like somebody messaged me. Well, we're back a long time ago. Can't believe you work next to Man United's football ground. And then they said, I didn't know there was work units down there. And I said, yeah. Oh man, you're so lucky. I'd love to see that. So I thought, well, go on then, let's include it in. And it just makes things a little bit more interesting, doesn't it? I think, anyway. So that's it. So what are you up to? Andrew Hill. There you go. Do you know, I'm sorry, Andrew. My memory, world class. I nearly said sponge then. Well, it's full of holes. Yeah, well. But Andrew Hill, always liking, always commenting, always upbeat, always positive. And Andrew's gone in. He's had an operation on his knee, I think it is. And he's on the mend. But I just wanted to say, get well soon, Andrew. Take it easy. And there was another one. I'm so sorry. What's he called now? So he watches me. He watches my videos. Not commented for a while. YouTube was playing up. I'm so sorry. Memory's just gone. I hope you're doing okay. He told me about the little cow biscuits, the little malted milks. I didn't know they had chocolate on them, and they do. And he told me, and I went and got some. Here we got ladder mittens. And I think he emailed me, and I'm so sorry. But you know, you think everything's going on, and then people talk to you and tell you stuff, and you think, wow, I feel like such a charlatan complaining about my life when you see how hard people have got it. And he was so ill. So get well soon to you all. So just take it easy and look after yourselves, you know. This razor's really good. And somebody, did I tell you, somebody messaged me. They actually commented on an old video from about a year ago. But they commented recently. Ah man, too much waffling here. Get on with the shave. Won't be watching you again. Too much talking. Bye. I thought, yeah, well, got the answer to that, mate. Don't watch. It's that easy. You might be sitting at home thinking, John's feisty today. No, do you know what? Do you know what it is, guys? Do you ever get that when you're just sick to the back teeth of people that will find anything to moan at? I've had it all week. Not on YouTube. At but we'll leave that there. But they pay your wages, not work the customers. So it's not like you can turn around and say, "Oh, shut up." You just have to go, "Oh yeah, oh, I understand your concerns. I'll do my best." But anyway, that's enough of that. Well, we did okay, didn't we, guys? We did okay. There's a little nick there. It's an aggressive sucker. I would put that at medium well. I would. In the steak, because you know how I grade my racers. I do it rare, medium, medium well, and well. Okay, here we go. This is beautiful. I have to lean in because my lungs are so delicate. That's why I don't normally use stuff with an atomizer. Oh, because it really does. It gets right on. It could make me ill for days. That is absolutely wonderful. And this, oh my word, this is just next level. It really is. And it smells. It smells like the aftershave. There you go. It's very good. It is expensive, but it absorbs into the skin. And I've got to be honest with you guys, if I wasn't making videos, I think that and Aqua Velva 5-in-1 would be the only balm I ever used. I mean, I like the Florist balm, but that knocks spots off it. It really does. Anyway, oh, wonderful. That's our shave. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for listening. Thanks for all the likes and the comments, you guys out there. You're absolutely wonderful. Look after yourselves. Look after each other. And you don't have to know the person that's next to you in order to look after them as well. Okay? I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Bye.